Chicken paella. You need for this: 2 boneless chicken thighs, skin off and diced. 100 grams of chorizo, chopped. 1 onion, roughly chopped. 1 carrot, roughly chopped. 1 red pepper, roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. 1 chicken stock cube. 300 grams of paella rice. 100 grams of frozen peas. And 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Add the chicken, chorizo, onion, carrot, and paprika to a hot oiled pan. Cook for 5 minutes. Add the red pepper and cook for another 5 minutes. Put 750 milliliters of water on to boil in the kettle. While you're waiting for that, add your stock cube, puree, and then the rice, and mix thoroughly. Add the boiled water to the pan and simmer with the lid on for 15 minutes, stirring regularly to stop it from sticking. Add the frozen peas and cook for a further 5 minutes, then serve with lots of black pepper.